Ma'am, sidi senior singi farewell lay. Ma'am chatli. Alien lay. Oi, invitator mathak kakala ulage. Kamai tawai habdo. Chami yeng hasi ma'am. Nungsa sidi phajana sai.
Mi lauraba?
Sing yaudi.
Mi kam laurage?
Sa sidi. Sa sidi sari ma'am. Sa sidi sai. Table yaudore. Table ki mathakta ne tawdoise. Farewell si farewell. Sai. Sakadore. Table yaudore. Pakle. Sida ya, si mathak kane tawdoise. Changase. Nungsa jadi sai. Yaude em phong nam. Farewell gi entry ne ma'am.
So hard.
Senior sinh lạc của mấy ngày nè mèo. Mèo thiếu cái đi lạc nào đi không nào đây. Cùng với ta một thằng cái thằng nghe tôi lạc nữa cái mình senior cái lạc cái mình kalau bảo một cái đây không mà đi bảo lạc nữa thìทั้งเลยก็มีแมมลาก็เจอแมวสิ่งหลักเป็นเซตเลยหลักทั้งเลยโหนี่
So my name is Harshit Chaudhary. I am hosting this lovely event of Farewell 2024 by ECC department. We have a lot of surprises, lots of games, lots of gifts for you. So I'm hoping that you're gonna have some lovely time over here. So I wish you the best and I hope you're gonna enjoy this event. So give your 100% because we're gonna be rocking this event. Okay guys?
I can see that there is this moment of both sorrow as well as excitation in you. And I'm pretty sure we will try our best to live up to that expectation that you're expecting from us. There are a lot of mixtures of different programs today. And I hope that every single performance will bring fire to this program today.
And also I want you seniors to please be active in the groups because we're gonna
lunch.
Hi bro. Program yeah good. Hey bache.
I would like to say thank you to all of the teachers that supported us. Thank you, sir. Thank you. We are not like perfect students. We always make mistakes. Every time we make you fall in problems. Content really sorry, really sorry. And if we have said something when you were anything in the past 3 years, really sorry for that. And thank you very much. A good teacher makes a good student. So if our teacher were not good, so we will not be able to pass your exam. So really thank you to all your teachers. Thank you very much. On behalf of all the PCG, we managed to give a small gift, and we are very sorry, CICP and your team. We have not told you guys about this because we also want to keep it secret. So really sorry for that. We have prepared something for them, like photographs. So really sorry.